Yo, what's up everybody? It's your host back with another video. And today we're diving deep into the world of AI. We've got two heavyweights in the ring, ChatGPT and Google's Bard. They're both super impressive, but which one comes out on top? We're talking creative writing, fact-checking, even which one understands you better. Think of it like this. ChatGPT's your boy for crafting that killer English essay, while Bard's got your back with the latest news and info. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI is right for you. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. Alright, before we throw down, let's introduce our contenders. In this corner, trained by the minds at OpenAI, we've got ChatGPT. This AI is all about language, whether it's writing you a poem or explaining quantum physics in simple terms. On the other side, hailing from Google's headquarters, it's Bard. Bard is hooked directly into the internet, so it's your go-to for anything current news, weather, even that obscure fact you need for your trivia night. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is like that friend who aced literature class, while Bard is the one who always knows what's trending. Now let's talk about how these AI powerhouses actually work. ChatGPT learned everything it knows from a massive data set of text and code, but here's the catch. Its knowledge is stuck in 2024. It's like having an encyclopedia that hasn't been updated in a while. Bard, on the other hand, is constantly learning and evolving. It's connected to the vastness of the internet, pulling in new information every second. So if you need the latest sports scores or want to know what happened in the news today, Bard's your guy. But for timeless knowledge and creative writing, ChatGPT still holds its own. Chapter 3, Round 3, Wordsmith Showdown, Who Writes Better? Let's be real, one of the coolest things about AI is its ability to write like a pro. And in this corner, ChatGPT takes the cake. Need a short story, a catchy song, or even a script for your next YouTube video? ChatGPT's got you covered. But don't count Bard out just yet. It's a master at summarizing complex topics and pulling together information from different sources. So if you need a quick report or a well-researched article, Bard can definitely hold its own. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is the novelist, crafting beautiful prose, while Bard is the journalist, delivering concise and informative pieces. Chapter 4, Round 4, The Human Connection. Who gets you? Now, we all know AI is getting smarter, but which one feels more like talking to a real person? ChatGPT is designed to be conversational. You can ask it to explain things in simple terms, tell you a joke, or even write in a specific tone. Bard, while super intelligent, can sometimes feel a bit more like, well, a computer. Its responses are often accurate and to the point, but it might not always nail that natural, human-like conversation flow. It's like the difference between chatting with a friend and asking a search engine a question. Both are useful, but one just feels more natural. Chapter 5, The Final Bell. And the winner is? So, after 4 rounds of intense AI action, who comes out on top? Honestly, it's a draw. Both ChatGPT and Bard have their strengths and weaknesses. It all comes down to what you need them for. Want to unleash your inner Shakespeare or need help writing a killer presentation? ChatGPT's your creative wingman. Need up-to-the-minute information or want to research a topic quickly? Bard is your research assistant extraordinaire. The future of AI is exciting, and with these two powerhouses leading the charge, who knows what incredible things we'll be able to do. So there you have it guys, the epic battle between ChatGPT and Bard. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. Team ChatGPT or Team Bard? And hey, while you're at it, if you enjoyed this AI showdown, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech battles and comparisons. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So who's the real winner? That's up to you. Tell me in the comments which AI you like more, ChatGPT or Bard. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech battles. See you next time.